Hello everyone, welcome to Redneck Ways. How's everybody doing out there, YouTube land? Hope everybody's set fine and dandy. Not doing too all bad, guys, here in old Kentucky. Almost went too far. Today, guys, hey Fluffy, what you doing, girl? Up here catching mice. Our floor's a mess, ain't it? I gotta turn the crack corn machine on. That's one of our oldest cats here. But anyway, guys, I normally don't film anything here at work, but I thought this day, since I gotta make horse feed, I would show you all how we have to make it here at the feed mill. These are all of our bags laying around here. It's a little messy. We don't come up here very much, just get our bags and stuff. Third floor. Back in the day comes a train. When this place is really booming, before Walmarts and everything, you would have about 6 or 7 men on each floor, and there's 3 floors and a basement. And yeah, that you would have somebody up here at all times running this machinery, keeping things clean. And now we have a skeleton crew, so I mean, we get what we can done. We try to keep it as clean as possible. But the first thing I got to do to even start the horse feed is I got to turn the crack corn machine on. And I think I forgot to turn the light on because it's awful dark. Unless the light's blue. It could be possible that the light's blue here. Oh, there we go. We got some lights. Alright, not much, but we got some. Alrighty. So this here, guys, is a crack corn machine. I don't know if you've ever seen a crack corn machine in your life. I never had till I started working here. It's a it's a scary machine. What you have corn that comes from our bins. Well, let's start right here. These are legs. These are called legs, and there's a belt in there, and it goes around, and they got little cups on them, which I take you upstairs and show you what I'm talking about. Here we go, up in the attic. But this is what I'm talking about. It's got cups, and this is down in them legs, and it goes around in a big circle. And when you got corn feeding into it, and it goes into these cups, and it'll go to the top, it'll dump that load. It'll go back to the bottom, pick up more. So these, half of these are always full of corn when it's circling, just making its round. And that's what feeds the crack corn machine. While I'm up here in the attic, show you a little thing. This over here, this is where what we use to, when we get our corn in. It this pulls it up from the basement. This it pulls it up from the basement and runs it down this. It runs down through here, through this pipe, and then it lands right here, and this shakes, and it shakes all the nasty stuff out, and that way it cleans our corn when we get it in. But that could be another video. Let me get back downstairs and show you more on this crack corn machine. Alright, now what I was saying, the corn will come down this tube. It goes in here, inside this here, and this has got like 100 little blades that spin. They spin. There's a big, you see how many belts spin it? I think there's 3 or 4. And here's the electric motor that runs that. And then it chops it up. All the fine powder, like your flour and stuff, it goes down here in this, and it goes to a holding bin. We call that feed mill. And then the good stuff, the cracked corn, comes, it hits that screen and comes down here on this and goes down this hole, and that goes down to a holding bin. But it cracks the corn to look like that. That's what it looks like. Now turn this behemoth on. I keep the main breaker shut down So I've got to keep all my controls covered because of that fine powder. It will get inside there and the switches and stuff, and it'll keep it from working. So that's why that's why all this stuff's covered. So I hit this switch, and then I've got this memorized. So underneath the horse here is the on button. Now let's go down the stairs and I will show you. I gotta turn the corn on. And that is how we make our cracked corn. And tomorrow, I'm making this for tomorrow so we can make our horse feed. And maybe I'll make the whole video. But that's how we get our cracked corn cracked. Hope you guys are having a great day. Bye, guys. Back in the elevator. And that is how we make cracked corn, guys. That's the first part when we gotta make our horse feed. So if I see that you guys are interested in seeing some more about an old mill, this building is not built 1900. So if you guys are interested in any more on this stuff and you're watching it, I'll make I'll film us doing our horse feed. And there's all kinds of things. We make our chicken feed, horse feed, everything. And alrighty guys, until the next one, I'll see you right here at Redneck Ways. Bye guys, I hope you're all having a great Monday.